Hello, my name is Brooke Ellis and I'm going to show you how I created this comic book look. I used the turquoise Snazaroo face paint as my base, and then with an eyeliner pencil I sketched out the design, and to take away some of that colour I used a makeup wipe. I used the shade bright yellow to fill in the text on my forehead and the shade sky blue to fill in the blue sections. Make sure you did get rid of the turquoise base underneath these colours, otherwise they would mix together and turn muddy. For the graphic on my cheek I started with the colour bright red, I then moved on to the shade called orange, and then lastly bright yellow. Before filling in the word pop I did get rid of the face paint so they wouldn't muddy again, and then I used the white face paint to start to paint the clouds around the word pop and around my eye. For contour on the other side of my face I used the shade sky blue. Using the shade turquoise and a sky blue I created some dots on my face using the handle of a paintbrush. I outlined everything with a black face paint, and then I used the shade dark grey to create a shadow on the cloud around my eye. For my brows I used an orange face paint. I also finished my eyes and applied some lipstick. I put on this cardboard wig and we are done. Let me know what you think in the comments.